So you've installed your new Matrie Complete pre-painted moldings and you're ready to finish the job. It's important to choose the right touch-up products to professionally finish the millwork. Matrie offers a superior color-matched touch-up accessory solutions to professionally finish the job without having to apply a coat of paint. Let's look at each of the available touch-up accessories and their recommended uses. Caulking is one of the most common touch-up needs on all new construction and remodeling projects. Caulking is typically used to fill the gap where trim meets wall, such as the top of the baseboard and the outside of the casing, or where one piece of trim meets another, such as baseboard to base shoe and casing to door jamb. Matrie offers a color-matched caulking which has a non-shrinking formula and is paintable. The next most common touch-up need is filling nail holes. For this application, Matrie offers a color-matched wax fill stick, which works best for filling nail holes as it's easy to apply, provides a smooth, consistent finish, and won't shrink like putty can as it dries. You can also use the wax fill stick to fill minor pieces of damages such as scratches and chips in the painted surface. Next, Matrie offers a color-matched putty. This versatile solution can be used in many applications, such as filling a miter joint, header drywall return joint, filling nail holes, or fixing larger damages such as chips and scratches in the painted finish. It's easy to apply and dries in about 15 minutes. Finally, Matrie knows that sometimes a bit of paint is needed to correct a blemish in a pre-painted product. Matrie Complete is produced with a protective top coat, which may present adherence issues for traditional, off-the-shelf spray or liquid paint. For that reason, Matrie offers a color-matched touch-up spray enamel, which is specially formulated to adhere to the molding's top coat and blend flawlessly to the trim, while also avoiding the halo ring that could present when using other spray paint products. The touch-up enamel is also quick dry, so you can apply multiple coats in less than a minute. When using any of Matrie Complete's touch-up accessory solutions, it's important to remember you're working with a finished product, so it's best to wait to apply them until later in the build cycle when the job site is relatively clean and that any hands or tools being used to apply them are also clean as to not discolor the product. For more information on any of the available touch-up accessories or how to use them, you can visit our website, speak to a Matrie representative, or check out the other video content on Matrie's channel.